Imagine stepping onto a world where everything is white and blue, stretching endlessly, no green fields, no flowing rivers. Giant ice mountains glisten under a distant star, while frozen plains cover the ground for thousands of miles. The air is so cold it stings your lungs and silence dominates, broken only by the crack of shifting ice. This is an ice planet, locked in permanent winter, beautiful yet deadly. Could humans ever call a place like this home? Astronomers are discovering frozen worlds far from their stars called snowball planets. Living here would mean reinventing everything: how we build homes, find food, and create community. The essentials for life, warmth, water, air, would all be hard-won. But the human spirit is driven by curiosity and the urge to explore. Could we build cities under the ice, find water, and create warmth in the coldest place imaginable? The challenge is immense, but so is our will to survive. Let's dive in and see if we could turn a world of endless ice into a new home for humankind. Our journey begins now. The biggest threat on an ice planet is the cold, minus 100 degrees Celsius or worse. No winter coat could save you. Only advanced, heated spacesuits would keep you alive outside. Water is locked as solid ice, so melting enough for a city would demand massive energy. Sunlight is scarce, making it tough to grow food or use solar power. Underground farms with artificial light would be essential. The atmosphere, if it exists, might be toxic or too thin, so we'd need sealed habitats with our own air. Every moment would depend on technology working perfectly. Survival would mean mastering energy, water, food, and air in a place that offers none of them freely. The margin for error? Zero. Only the most robust systems and people could endure. This is survival at its most extreme. For hope, we look to Europa, Jupiter's icy moon. Its frozen surface hides a vast ocean, kept liquid by tidal heating from Jupiter's gravity. This hidden ocean could be a haven, shielded from deadly cold and radiation. If life can exist there, maybe we could too, living beneath the ice instead of on it. Scientists are sending missions like NASA's Europa Clipper to study this world. Future explorers might drill through the ice, searching for life and learning how to survive in such places. Europa shows us that liquid water, and maybe life, can exist far from the sun. Its example could guide us in building safe havens under the ice on distant planets. What we learn there could one day help us thrive on a real ice planet. The blueprint for survival may already be in our solar system. How would we build a city on an ice planet, underground, deep within the ice? Powerful drills and melting machines could carve out vast caverns, shielded from the deadly surface. Geothermal energy from the planet's core would power our homes and melt ice for water. Inside, glowing farms would grow food under LED lights, no soil needed. Fish tanks could provide protein, and artificial lighting would create day and night cycles. Another idea, underwater habitats in the hidden ocean, near hydrothermal vents for warmth and energy. Submarines could connect underwater domes, letting us explore and live beneath the ice. Robots would handle dangerous construction, and life support systems would recycle air and water. New materials would be needed to withstand pressure and cold. These challenges would drive innovation and push human ingenuity to new heights. Building a city under the ice would be one of humanity's greatest achievements. The dream is bold, but possible. To see if we could survive on an ice planet, look to Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth. Scientists live there year-round in high-tech stations, enduring darkness, isolation, and extreme cold. They rely on insulated habitats, artificial light, and careful planning, just like we would on an ice planet. In Antarctica, help is a plane ride away. On an ice planet, we'd be truly on our own. We'd need to be completely self-sufficient, producing air, recycling water, and growing food. Our survival would depend on technology, teamwork, and resilience. Humanity has always adapted to new frontiers, from deserts to mountains. An ice planet would be our greatest test yet. If we learn from Antarctica and dream big, maybe one day we'll call a frozen world home. The question is, would you be brave enough to go? The future of exploration is colder and more exciting than ever.